Powdery mildew is a common plant disease. It looks like a white powder on leaves. It can weaken your plants. It's better to prevent it than to treat it. Powdery mildew spreads easily in the wind. It can quickly infect an entire garden. Don't wait for it to appear. Take action now to protect your plants. Prevention is key to healthy and thriving plants. Hey there! If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome gardening tips. Powdery mildew thrives in certain conditions. This fungal disease is common in gardens and can affect a wide range of plants. It appears as white or gray powdery spots on leaves, stems, and buds. Understanding why it appears can help you take steps to prevent it. Knowing these conditions can help you prevent it. Stress weakens plants, making them more vulnerable. When plants are stressed due to factors like drought, poor soil, or improper care, they become easy targets for powdery mildew. This makes them more susceptible to diseases. Powdery mildew spores are always present in the environment, waiting for the right conditions to thrive. Once they find a weakened plant, they quickly take hold. Overwatering creates a humid environment. Powdery mildew loves humidity. When leaves stay wet for extended periods, it provides the perfect breeding ground for the fungus. Poor air circulation prevents leaves from drying. In dense gardens where air can't flow freely, moisture lingers on the foliage, encouraging mildew growth. This encourages the disease to spread. Once powdery mildew establishes itself, it can quickly move from plant to plant, especially in crowded conditions. Too much nitrogen-rich fertilizer can also contribute. While nitrogen promotes lush green growth, it can also make plants more susceptible to powdery mildew. It promotes leafy growth, but weakens the plant's natural defenses. Over-fertilized plants may look healthy, but are often less resistant to diseases. By understanding these factors, you can create an environment that discourages powdery mildew. Proper watering, good air circulation, and balanced fertilization are key to keeping your garden healthy and mildew-free. Spacing your plants properly is crucial. When you give each plant enough room to grow, you ensure that they have access to the necessary nutrients and sunlight. This not only promotes healthy growth, but also helps in preventing diseases. Crowded plants can create a humid environment, which is a breeding ground for powdery mildew and other fungal infections. Good air circulation helps to keep leaves dry. When the air can move freely between plants, it reduces the moisture on the leaves, making it harder for mildew to take hold. This is especially important in humid climates where moisture can linger. Water at the base of your plants, not on the leaves. By directing water to the roots, you ensure that the plants get the hydration they need without wetting the foliage. Wet leaves are more susceptible to fungal infections, including powdery mildew. Wet leaves are an open invitation to powdery mildew. This fungus thrives in damp conditions and can quickly spread from leaf to leaf, covering them in a white, powdery substance that can weaken and eventually kill the plant. Water your plants in the morning. Early watering allows the plants to absorb the moisture they need before the heat of the day sets in. It also gives the leaves time to dry out during the day, reducing the risk of mildew. This gives them time to dry out during the day. Dry leaves are less likely to develop fungal infections, and the morning sun helps to evaporate any excess moisture. Choose plant varieties that are resistant to powdery mildew. Many seed companies offer varieties that have been bred to resist common diseases. By selecting these plants, you can reduce the likelihood of mildew taking hold in your garden. Consider a weekly preventive spray. Regular applications of fungicides or homemade solutions can help keep mildew at bay. Prevention is always easier than trying to cure an infection once it has started. A simple solution of baking soda and water can work wonders. This natural remedy changes the pH on the leaf surface, making it inhospitable for mildew spores. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 gallon of water and spray your plants. This mixture is safe for most plants and can be applied weekly as a preventive measure. These simple steps can significantly reduce the risk of powdery mildew. By being proactive and attentive to your garden's needs, you can enjoy healthy, thriving plants all season long. Reaping the rewards of prevention. In this section, we will explore the immense benefits of taking proactive steps in your garden. Prevention is better than cure. This age-old adage holds especially true in gardening. This is especially true for powdery mildew, a common garden ailment that can be devastating if not managed early. By taking preventive measures, you can enjoy healthy and vibrant plants. Regular monitoring and early intervention can save you a lot of trouble down the line. Healthy plants mean more flowers and more food for you. A well-maintained garden not only looks beautiful, but also provides a bountiful harvest. Prevention also reduces the need for chemical treatments. Using natural methods like composting and organic pest control can keep your garden thriving. This is better for your garden and the environment. Sustainable practices ensure that your garden remains a haven for years to come. Share your experiences and tips with fellow gardeners. Building a community of knowledgeable gardeners can help everyone succeed. Subscribe for more gardening advice and inspiration. Stay connected and keep learning to make the most of your gardening journey. A final word on powdery mildew. If you do find infected plant parts, dispose of them properly. Don't compost them. This can spread the disease. Bag them and throw them in the trash. Remember, a little prevention goes a long way. Enjoy your healthy and thriving garden. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more great content.